my name is Derek Salamanca, and today I'm going to Tijuana, Mexico to visit the Albercas el Vergel water park with my friend Mike Kishin. It's about a half hour from downtown San Diego, California.
We're currently going to do the Medusa. You see these kind of rides at like fairs, but they usually use like a cloth. Oh, I'm scared.
Holy shit, he's getting it forever. Oh my god, I broke my glasses.
Holy shit! The more I watch the Medusa, the more dangerous it fucking looks. People are flying off that jump. Oh shit! Dude, I could just stand here all day and watch this happen. Dude, that's like the best water ride I've ever been in my life.
Alright, D-squared. Have fun.
Holy fuck! These rides are intense. Oh my god, I scream like a little girl.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared for this one. That is a very steep and tall. Mike doesn't even want to come up. Look at this. Look down.
Oh god, I got goosebumps.
You can see the height difference. The blue one and the one we just went down. Holy fuck. I got air. I got air. Holy shit. I got air. I was flying. That is fucking scary. Oh my god. That is fucking terrifying. That's so scary. Did you fly? I thought I was gonna die. Just dropping. We're now headed to the Anaconda, which happens to be my nickname from a bunch of girls. A bunch of them. Mike, how do you like these stairs? How do you say too many stairs in Spanish? Muchas escaladas. He doesn't know, he's just making shit up. These are the stairs that we're on and how high they are. And you can feel them moving. They're very rusty. You're probably gonna die.
On top of the Anaconda, they have this little thing that prevents the water from going down. So when you finally do go down, it's a bunch of water that forces you down a tube and you go so fast.
Oh, it's down here. Oh, fucking darn, I can't see a goddamn thing! That was horrible. Over there. That's gonna be Mike screaming later. The difference with America is that there's nobody saying for us to not go.
Yeah, he is.
Is there?
This guy.
Oh, is there? Alright, just kidding. Oh my god, you can see the whole thing shake. I'm not even going anywhere. What the fuck? I'm so slow. This is the worst. Getting better. Holy shit! sunglasses, complete fucking upside down and that thing. Oh shit! Oh my god. These things are not safe. And I hit something that I could feel it cut me. I lost my glasses. That was the worst. They do have a kids section over here. There's a lazy river over there. Alright. This is kind of scary actually. Now we're at the rope swing section and the cliff jumping section. That sucks, I gotta hurt. Don't do what that guy just did. Oh wait! That was way better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought for sure she was gonna eat shit. There goes Mike. Hopefully he hurts himself. Where's your flip?
How's my flip?
Dude, film the asshole.
No,
Dude, stupid. So far, every ride is like super intense. Like every ride for a split second, you think you're gonna die.
After every ride, you get air, actually.
Woo. A little slow at first. And it's dark as fuck. Oh shit. Oh. Holy shit! Mike hurt himself.
My heels on the ground.
It's Mike's first time at a water park, doesn't really know how to swim or land in water without... Yeah, I could see the bone.
This is the best water park I've ever been to in my entire life. I had so much fun. The food was so good. The drinks were all good. The company I was with sucked. I highly recommend it, especially since it's really close to downtown San Diego. After I made this video, I made another video that's just the screams of us going down the rides. I suggest you check it out. It's really funny. It's in the description below. Again, my name's Derek Salamanca. Go check out the wannadigest.com. I'll put that link in the description below. Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe. I got a bunch more videos coming out. I just don't know when. Fuck you, Mike.